Hello students, the topic is narco analysis test. So here wrestlers in Delhi are protesting for justice against the harassment of women wrestlers. The former Wrestler Foundation, Federation of India president and the wrestlers challenged each other for a narco analysis test to know the truth. So here we have to learn about the narco analysis test. In this narco-analysis test, sodium pentothal, also called as truth serum, is injected into a person's body. As soon as a truth serum is injected, the person loses his self-consciousness and thus speaks up the truth. Generally, this type of test is performed under the guidance and supervision of the psychologist, investigation officer, or under an forensic expert. This narco analysis report cannot be used as a primary evidence in the court, but under section 27 of Evidence Act of 1872, if any information or any material that is discovered through the voluntary narco analysis test report can be submitted to the court as an evidence. So there are other two tests for lie detector. They are the polygraph test and the brain mapping test. So in polygraph test, instruments are used to measure blood pressure, pulse rate, breathing, sweat glands and blood flow, and then they are asked questions. So based upon the answers, they'll measure all these things and they will confirm whether the person is telling the truth or a lie. The next type of lie detector test is brain mapping test. This is also called as P300 test. So brain mapping is done which extracts neuroimages. Neuroimages of the brain can be extracted for analysis and information. So these are the two types of tests of lie detectors, and the other one is the truth serum. So here in Selvi and ORS versus State of Karnataka and ANR case of 2010, the Supreme Court has made few statements regarding the narco analysis, brain mapping and polygraph tests. So it stated that the Supreme Court has stated that these tests cannot be conducted on any person without his or her consent. So without a person's permission, these tests cannot be conducted because it is against the fundamental rights of the individuals under Article 20 Clause 3 and Article 21. So here Article 20 Clause 3 states it is the right against self-incrimination. So under this article, no person accused of an offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. So under Article 20 Clause 3, a person cannot provide evidence against himself. And next is Article 21. It is right to life and personal liberty. So this right also includes right against cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment. So this is about the narco analysis test.